Please pay attention to this emergency broadcast. At 9:12 AEST we have begun attacking NZ territory Auckland. We have begun our attacks on NZ in this way. Thank you for listening to this emergency broadcast.
Pay attention to this emergency broadcast. At 11:12 a.m. New Zealand Daylight Time, Australia has begun their attack on Auckland City. Shelters are in place. Remain calm, spend time with family members. If you have children, try to comfort them. Get to a shelter as soon as possible, do not panic. Take mobile phones to get real-time updates. This video will show you why you should.
To help keep you safe if there's an emergency, all compatible mobile phones are now able to receive emergency mobile alerts. So when you hear this sound, stop doing what you're doing and follow the instructions.
Thank you for cooperating.